Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're taking a close look at the Jimmy Mattress Vacuum Cleaner, a unique anti-allergen vacuum designed to tackle dust, pet hair, and allergens with a powerful 14 kPa suction. With its UVC light and high heating tech, this corded handheld vacuum is built for deep cleaning mattresses, pillows, and other household surfaces. But does it live up to its claims? Let's find out. The Jimmy Mattress Vacuum Cleaner comes with a variety of features aimed at improving cleaning efficiency, particularly for allergy sufferers. First off, it delivers a robust 14 kPa suction power, which makes it highly capable of picking up fine dust particles and pet hair. The high-frequency tapping technology works in tandem with the suction, ensuring that even the most stubborn dust is lifted from deep within the fibers of your mattress. It's especially useful for those who struggle with allergies, as the 254nm UVC light and 140-degree high heating function combine to remove 99.99% of allergens. Whether it's dust mites, pet dander, or bacteria, this vacuum is designed to eliminate them all, providing a cleaner, healthier sleeping environment. One of the standout features of the Jimmy vacuum is its versatility. It operates in 3 modes: tapping, suction, and UVC cleaning, giving you the flexibility to choose the best method for your specific cleaning task. The 480-watt motor powers the vacuum with enough force to make light work of removing dust and pet hair, while the 240mm suction port allows for quicker cleaning, especially in larger areas like beds or carpets. The 16.4-foot cord ensures that you have ample reach to move around comfortably without constantly switching power outlets. And the 0.5-liter dust cup offers enough capacity to clean a large area before needing to be emptied. In terms of build and handling, the Jimmy vacuum is a solid and durable option. Weighing in at just under 8 pounds, it's not the lightest vacuum out there, but its weight feels justified by its heavy-duty design. This model is built to last, and with proper care, it could easily last for over 10 years. The dual cyclone filtration technology ensures that dust and hair are separated efficiently, reducing the risk of clogs and tangles. Cleaning the dust cup is a breeze, and the vacuum's design allows for easy maintenance of the brush roll. When it comes to real-world usage, the Jimmy Mattress Vacuum Cleaner performs as expected, especially on mattresses and upholstery. I tested it on fine dust, pet hair, and even some embedded dirt, and it performed admirably. The tapping function works well on soft surfaces like mattresses, dislodging dirt that would otherwise remain deep within the fibers. The UVC light, while useful for killing bacteria, does require careful handling. You need to ensure both micro switches are pressed, which can be tricky if you don't keep the vacuum level during use. The vacuum does an excellent job on hard surfaces too, but it does require a bit of effort to move across thicker carpets or large rugs. One thing to keep in mind is the noise level. It's not particularly loud, but it's definitely noticeable. If you're sensitive to noise, this could be a mild inconvenience during extended cleaning sessions. The overall ergonomics are good, though the weight may cause some discomfort with prolonged use, especially if you're moving between different areas of your home. However, the relatively long cord and well-positioned suction port reduce the need to keep adjusting the vacuum too often. As for the pros and cons, the Jimmy Mattress Vacuum Cleaner is packed with features designed to tackle allergens and dust. The UVC light and high heating technology are particularly effective for anyone with allergies, and the strong suction ensures that even fine particles are thoroughly picked up. The 3 cleaning modes are highly practical, allowing for targeted cleaning depending on your needs. However, the vacuum's weight may be a drawback for some, especially when cleaning large areas or using it for extended periods. Additionally, the need to ensure both micro switches are pressed for the UV light to activate could be frustrating at times. When considering value for money, the Jimmy vacuum sits in a competitive price range. For a vacuum of this type, which specializes in allergen removal with UV and heating technology, the price is fair. While you might find cheaper vacuums, many of them lack the powerful suction and allergy-friendly features that the Jimmy model offers. For anyone dealing with allergies or looking for a more thorough, specialized clean on their mattress and upholstery, this vacuum is definitely worth considering. Comparing the Jimmy Mattress Vacuum to other options on the market, a few alternatives come to mind. The Black & Decker BDH2000PL, for example, is another handheld option with strong suction but lacks the UVC light or high heating tech. It's more affordable but doesn't specialize in allergen removal. The Dyson V11, on the other hand, offers powerful suction and is a great all-around cleaner, but it's a more expensive option and doesn't have the specialized UVC and heating features that the Jimmy model provides. In terms of specialized cleaning for mattresses and soft surfaces, the Jimmy is a standout, especially for those with allergies or sensitivity to dust mites. When it comes to build quality, the Jimmy Mattress Vacuum Cleaner is a robust option. The materials used feel durable, and the assembly is solid, with no wobbly parts or loose connections. The suction port is wide enough to handle larger debris, while the brush roll and filter are designed for easy maintenance. Over time, there could be some wear on the filters, but the overall longevity should be strong as long as you take care of the vacuum. Maintenance is straightforward, and cleaning the dust cup and brush roll is quick and simple. Overall, the Jimmy Mattress Vacuum Cleaner delivers on its promises of allergen removal, strong suction, and efficient cleaning across various surfaces. Its 3 cleaning modes offer a lot of flexibility, and the UVC light combined with heating technology adds a unique feature for allergy sufferers. While it's not the lightest option out there, it is durable, powerful, and well-suited for those with specific cleaning needs, particularly for mattresses and upholstered furniture. For the price, it offers solid value, especially for anyone looking for a vacuum that specializes in deep cleaning and allergen removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the comments box for the link to get your hands on the Jimmy Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. If you've tried it or have any questions, drop a comment below. Goodbye till next time. Remember, cleaning doesn't have to be a chore with the right tools.